Welcome to another PCS Company product demonstration video. Today we'll be showcasing PCS Company's black and silver mold alignment locks, which come in a variety of sizes and styles. All PCS black and silver locks ensure positive alignment between mold halves, are hardened and precision ground, and guarantee complete interchangeability. All exposed edges are chamfered for safety and precision. The male inserts feature grease grooves for smooth operation. Female halves come with an armor-coated finish, which when combined with high-quality tool steel, offers a dependable, smooth, long-lasting system. Male halves have a black oxide finish for increased lubricity and extended wear. PCS Company's radius top locks come standard with a radius on all four corners, enabling internal mounting. PCS family of alignment locks include top locks, radius top locks, side locks, shuttle mold top and side locks, guide locks, and multi-plate locks, all with the same high build quality. We hope you enjoyed learning more about our PCS black and silver locks. Remember, all PCS black and silver locks come with a lifetime warranty. Please note, however, that a warranty is not available for third-party products. Thank you for watching, and be sure to visit www.pcs-company.com for more information on these and other product offerings.